Dr. B.S.K. Naidu is Chairman Emeritus, Great Lakes Institute of Management, Gurgaon. His insights of professional life and the life skills are nothing short of spectacular. We look forward to his inspirational speech. Dr. Naidu.
Esteemed guests, learned faculty, and my dear students, let me congratulate the graduates in this moment of pride for having completed successfully the management courses in which we groom them for leadership behavior in industry and entrepreneurial ventures. As you all know, leadership is beyond 360-degree exposure to business perspectives given to you in the 4 quadrants of technology, finance, marketing, and human resource management. Let me give you some leadership mantras today at the time of party. All these 7 mantras start with D for your ease of recall. Dream. You should have very strong dreams to make a difference. Dhirubhai Ambani, when he was working as petrol pump attendant in Aden in Yemen, he was not nurturing a mere dream of owning that petrol pump one day or to own all the petrol pumps in the city or the country. That was too small for him. He was dreaming to own up the upstream industry itself, where from petrol was being supplied. He realized this dream, left a fortune of more than 65,000 crores, with which Mukesh today becomes the richest man in the country. So think big, think ahead, and think fast used to be his dreaming skill. Mantra 2 is direction. All your dreams must be translated into vision, mission, roadmaps, goals and milestones, accompanied by concrete action plans. While these action plans should be vigorously implemented, continuous direction setting is crucial for success. The best example is our India's mission to Mars, right from planning to execution. From the day it was launched from Sriharikota on 5th of November last year till 24th of September this year, when it would be inserted into the Mars orbit. This Mangalyaaan's interplanetary travel has several trajectory correction maneuvers, all done successfully so far. If Indian Space Research Organization succeeds this way right up to 24th of September, India will be the first country to reach Mars in the first shot. Mantra 3 is decision. As business leaders, we will be required to take bold decisions, keeping far-reaching implications in mind. When Jamnagar refinery the largest in the world, was being built in late 90s, Mukesh and Anil came to their father with layout drawings and structural drawings for approval. Dhirubhai asked, what Richter this design would be safe? They said 6. He said no, it should be designed for 9 on Richter scale. It involved an additional expenditure of 1500 crores, yet he decided for it. On 26th of January 2001, when the earthquake came, 7.7 on Richter scale, devastating Gujarat, killing 20,000, injuring 166,000 and leaving 600,000 homeless. Jamnagar plant was standing intact, saluting the decision of Dhirubhai. Mantra 4. Determination. The fastest man on the planet is certified speed particle, Usain Bolt of Jamaica. Finishes his 100 meters in less than 10 seconds, 200 meters in less than 20 seconds, out of his sheer determination. He owes openly that he would break his own world records of 9.59 and 19.19 seconds respectively. No wonder he leads the race as world's best. Mantra 5 is dedication. V. Krishnamurthy, who was chairman BHEL, Maruti and SAIL, is known for the dedication he had for the organizations he worked for. When he was general manager of Tiruchi plant of BHEL, he was to discuss and finalize an important contract of Malaysia, which turned into the first export order of BHEL. While he was doing so, his wife, Rajeshwari Krishnamurthy, was undergoing an operation in the hospital. When this man took over as chairman SAIL in the year 1985, the company was in red. He called for a meeting of all the executives in Bhilai steel plant and did not reach before time as usual. He explained in his short address that I woke up very early this morning but went to the temple to pray God to shower blessings on the organization to choose the right path. He met not less than 25,000 people in similar sessions all over SAIL and condensed all their ideas and solutions in a booklet called Priorities for Action and emailed it to each and every executive. SAIL turned around, making a profit of rupees 159 crores in the first year itself, up from 4 crores in the previous year, not increasing the steel prices. SAIL never looked back. During his tenure of 5 years, and the productivity per worker just doubled, saluting his dedication. Mantra 6, developing people. 5 out of 10 teams participating in IPL 2011 had captains from Team India, which won the World Cup under the magnanimous leadership of MS Dhoni. Sachin rightly said, Dhoni is the best captain I played under. Citing an example from public sector game, at one time there were 21 CEOs in the state-owned enterprises in the country who were groomed by V. Krishnamurti. Mantra 7, demonstration. During my 5-year term as Director General of NPTI, I and my secretary never availed leave. We worked for 12 hours a day against 8 stipulated, including all Saturdays, which were supposed to be holidays. I may add, I had a male secretary. Watching this, many of our colleagues started following stricter routines. It was a historic period in the annals of NPTI. We turned around to total self-sustenance from loss-making entity for several years. At the same time, expanding 4 units to 10 across the country, making it the world's largest powertrain organization, earning more revenue than what IIT gets grant from the government. So I assure you that during your leadership journey, you will discover your own additional mantras. It is evolution through experiential learning. Nonetheless, I wish to emphasize, leadership is a culture, a brand, not a person. Leadership is philosophy, not a position. Leadership is behavior, not a role. Leadership is a process, not dictation. Leadership is action, not a proposition. Leadership share is leadership multiplied. Managers manage while leaders develop, and leaders develop leaders, not followers. Thank you. Wish you good luck.